Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach with the 2024 Twist 2JB. This floor plan may be my favorite. I love the seating area in it. You have this large U-shaped dinette in the back. You have a sofa up front. It's almost like two living spaces. But every Twist in the lineup is going to be outfitted a little differently. So to find the Twist floor plan that is made to fit you, you can check with your local Thor Motor Coach dealer. You can always build your own at thormotorcoach.com, and I am ready to show you around this 2JB. So let's hit up living space number one. It's right here up front. This seat for two looks right out at your campsite. There are seat belts here as well. If you need a mobile office, remote working doesn't get better than this. You're not going to get views like this from an office. All right, so you're set up. You have the screen door in place, so you're not even close to feeling like you're stuck in a stuffy office. And once you get connected to the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender, you have a safe, secure internet connection wherever you are parked. What's nice is this table swivels exactly where you need it. So when you have the driver and passenger seats spun around, just push the table up, and now you have a place to relax with a cup of coffee in the morning and plan out the rest of the day. And if part of those plans include dinner at camp, the 2JB is on board with that. The kitchen in here is prepped for whatever you plan to make. You're going to find a nice amount of counter space, and you can put the cover over the sink if you need more room. We got a pop-up outlet back here so you can run appliances or keep your phone charged while you follow along with an online recipe. Cook it all up with the 2-burner gas cooktop, do a quick reheat in the microwave, and keep what you need in the cabinet next door. There's a 12-volt fridge down here. All the tools you need are in this van. Think about that. And now you may be saying, where do I keep all my gear? You got to check out the storage in here. There are cabinets above the couch, this closet right next to it, then another large closet you can use as a pantry if you needed to, and there are a number of nets on the wall to help keep you organized. Midship, we have the wet bath. Yes, there's a fully functional bathroom in this van too. From the sink to the medicine cabinet, the shower, and the toilet, it is everything you need in a bathroom on the go. Then we get back here to the other living area. This is where you're going to do the entertaining, and where all those extra passengers are going to sit on the ride. So you have seatbelts for two more back here. There's a table you can pop in place. All the outlets you could need are here. Cable TV, 110, 12 volt, and USB. And if you'd like to add a TV, it's ready for you. This entire area easily converts into a bed for two, and if you need more room for sleeping, you're going to want to option in the Skybunk rooftop sleeping area. We have more cabinets up top for storage, the windows open for ventilation, and there's even a screen you can pop up when you want natural light and let in the breeze. When you're on the road, you want convenience and ease of use, right? Well, that's where Rapid Camp Plus comes in. From the main screen here or the mobile app, you can control your lights, your climate, check your tank levels, set the auto gen start for the 2800 watt gas generator, and monitor the 200 watts of solar charging. The hot water and heat in the Twist are handled by the Truma Combi Eco, and there's a 1000 watt inverter on board. With the seating in here, think of this as the ultimate people mover. It's great for you and 5 friends to take on a day trip. And the Twist is ready to take everyone everywhere. Built on a Ram 3500 XT window van chassis, you're going to get the power of a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 with 276 horsepower and 250 pound-feet of torque. That's paired up with a 9-speed transmission driving those front wheels. You have a tow-haul mode, even a 3,500-pound hitch. Whether you're zipping downtown or navigating through the local park, the electric steering and tight turning diameter make the Twist an easy and a safe drive. I mean, listen to this list of safety features. There's traffic sign recognition, drowsy driver detection, intelligent speed assist, forward collision warning with active braking, pedestrian cyclist emergency braking, rain-sensing wipers, there's an electronic parking brake, and a great-looking display for the backup camera. Twist has power folding mirrors, proximity keyless entry, and push-button start. You can keep your eyes on the road with the steering wheel controls over here on the right side. This is for your cruise control. The buttons on the left toggle through the different menus and features and settings in the dash, like TPMS, trip meters, and driver assist functions. There are also buttons on the back of the steering wheel on both the left and right side. Those are tied into radio tuning and volume. Music, directions, phone calls, all handled right here with the Uconnect 5. drive. The 10-inch touchscreen allows you to connect 2 smartphones, has wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, Sirius XM satellite radio, even Amazon Alexa is built in. The wireless phone charger down here is going to keep your phone from sliding across the dash and possibly out the window. You also have access to USB-A and USB-C plugs. One of the great features about a camper van is its drivability. Remember, this twist is 21 feet 1 inches in length. Your occupant and cargo carrying capacity on this particular twist, 1,907 pounds. It's easy to use, it's easy to drive, and very easy to set up, so let's head over to the business end and check out your connections. Everything is here, from the fuel fill for the 24 gallons of gas. Twist is a 30-amp coach, and all the connections you need are here, from cable, city water, plug for additional solar panels, even an exterior shower. Tank capacities on the 2JB are 25 gallons of fresh water, 20 gallons of gray water, and a 3 3/4 gallon cassette toilet. Have to show you this. You open the back doors and look at this, a place made for that tabletop inside. You also have a little bit of storage back here too for your shore power cord and a few other items. As we swing on over to our campsite, you can make this the be-all, end-all of outdoor living areas. If you need the shade, then option in the Thule power awning. Otherwise, pull up a few chairs, get cooking on some hot coals, grab yourself a cold drink. This is all you need for great times. So what do you think? Do you love it as much as me? It is the 2024 Twist 2JB. When you are ready to build your own, head on over to thormotorcoach.com.